Don't get too excited, fellas. She keeps her clothes on.
Smell that? Smells like cheap beer and piss.
I know. Exciting, right?
We're sort of feeling the ripple effect of all of the disruption of season 1. Everything that's happened to Midge. She's not the daughter we thought she was. Our marriage is not the marriage we thought we had. Our lives are completely uprooted. But it makes for a really fun, interesting series.
We're gonna die in this tunnel.
Good. Something to look forward to.
I think there's probably a little bit of resentment because she's succeeding in an area that was his dream, but there's also love.
My ex-daughter-in-law, Midge, she has a new love interest, so you're going to get to see that.
This group is just really lovely and very warm, and all of their success has not gone to their head yet, which is just so great.
And you see a lot of us outside of New York. We go places. Paris, we're in upstate New York, we're in the Catskills. So yeah, it's kind of neat to see us outside of our norm.
We have a summer camp experience not unlike sort of Dirty Dancing. Tony Shalhoub has an adorable dog that was like romping through, and they brought out one of the cast chairs, and seeing the dog with the lake and the fireworks, and they brought out popsicles. What else could you ask for?
True to the period and the time and the music and the wardrobe and the cinematography. I mean, all of it is truly magical. And honestly, I've never been a part of anything like this, and I've been a part of a lot of successful things. This is extraordinary.